What is the laser tool and why would you need it in Goodnotes? There's only really one reason that you might need it, and you're probably not going to need it at all. So let me show you what it's for and how to get rid of it if you don't want it. There's this tool in Goodnotes and it's called a laser pointer. And now this is not something you'll probably ever use if you're just digital planning. But let's say you use Goodnotes and you're doing some kind of presentation and you want to point out what you're showing in that presentation on your iPad. If you're like casting your screen, this is what the laser pointer is for. So whenever you move your pencil around your screen, you'll see like a laser here, and you can change if you want it to be a line or a dot. And that is what you can use your laser pointer for. Now again, it's not something you'll probably ever use for just digital planning, and you can take this off your toolbar by going to these three dots, document editing, the toolbar customization, and removing it. So you can move it down here to hide. So that is the laser tool and how you use it and what kind of situation you might use it in.